Coach Hogarth again. So now we've done our two thumbnails, we've looked at the overall piece here, and again I have the photograph for you, and we're going to start evaluating. I want you to spend a little bit of time evaluating your two thumbnails. First thing I've done is I've decided I had too much negative space in the top and I scrunched the flowers. So I turned my paper into a vertical format, which is really easy to do when you're sketching because you just change the shape of your sketch frame. So I'm going to build it now being really aware of my negative space, watching carefully where I am and what I'm building on here. Again, it's a quick sketch, but I had to make sure that everything's large enough, I'm not too small on the paper, and that I'm touching the edges, and that's going to give me a good balance of positive and negative space. So what you're going to do with whatever you're drawing, it might be a still life, or it might be a landscape, it might be a portrait, whatever you're doing, you should always kind of start out with two quick thumbnail sketches. When you do that, then you can evaluate your sketches and then do a third one that's a redraw. So as you work, you're going to just kind of do a redraw of the final one. Again, it's just like the engineering and design process. So that's what you're going to do next. Two thumbnail sketches and then evaluate it and then give me a quick redraw. Now you can see here I'm looking at the negative space is a little more interesting. Much more interesting actually. And even I have negative space there on the napkin and in between all the objects. So you have a lot of different spaces of negative space. Okay, so go ahead and start your thumbnails.